This video explains how to import your AI-generated app into Figma. We do this to customize the app design, functionality, and workflows using Figma's design-centric interface, and use the Buzzy Figma plugin to manage the app's functionality, data model, and behavior. Best of all, republish your edited app directly from Figma. Figma is the leading collaborative UX design and prototyping tool for building digital products and sites. If you aren't familiar with Figma, Buzzy can connect you with partners who can help. Go to your app's Workspace Design tab. At the top, you'll see an option to edit it in the Workspace AI editor or in Figma. Buzzy AI builds your app interface via a set of components and templates that are also available in Figma as a design kit. Click the link to this Figma file as provided in the Design tab. Click the Open in Figma button at top of the Figma Community File webpage. This will create a copy of the AI Toolkit file in your own Figma Drafts folder. Note, if you don't have a Figma account yet, Figma will prompt you to create one. Make sure you sign up with the same email address you used to create your Buzzy account. Run the Buzzy plugin. There's instructions in the toolkit file you just copied. If this is the first time doing so, you'll need to connect your Buzzy and Figma accounts. Just follow the instructions provided. With the plugin open, switch to the Your App Here page of the toolkit file. Choose the option to import an existing app. Select the app you just created. Buzzy will now import your app into Figma. This may take a while, as it uses the Figma components in the toolkit file to assemble your app screens and interface. Once it's done, your app will exist as a Figma design. All the screens and flows are present. In addition to the Figma layers, Buzzy has added Buzzy Markup to the design. This assigns values, data, functionality, and behaviors to the design elements. Now you can use Figma to update your app design. We'll choose Edit. This will switch the plugin to Expert or Manual mode. Use the Buzzy plugin and Figma to modify your app data, functionality, UI, and more. For instance, switch the theme in seconds. Once you've made changes, simply go to the Publish tab of the plugin and republish your app. When you publish, you can either publish over the initial app you created with AI, or leave that as a V1 and publish this version as a new app. The first time you publish from a Figma file to Buzzy, you'll have to grant permission by providing the Figma file key. Just follow the instructions in the plugin. Now just keep working in Figma to edit and refine your app. This would be a good time to jump into the Getting Started with Buzzy for Figma guide.